The Vivo V27 Trio is finally official and it's quite fascinating. There is the regular V27 with a focus on rear camera quality, then the toned-down V27e, and the amped-up V27 Pro with flagship-grade performance and premium camera quality across both sides. Today we are going to explore the most interesting member, the Vivo V27 Pro. The new Vivo V27 Pro is a notable upgrade over the previous V23 Pro and V25 Pro. While they were both camera-centric mid-rangers, this one trumps them with supposedly better camera kits and a flagship-grade chipset. It also features a larger display, and yet it manages to keep the signature thin and lightweight design. Let's start with the design. It is reminiscent of the V23 Pro and V25 Pro as it uses the same color-changing back panel and remains just 7.4mm thin. But the Vivo V27 Pro comes with a larger 6.78-inch AMOLED display of 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. One of the most important key features is the new chipset, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200. A SoC fabbed on a more efficient 4nm process, compared to the 6nm Dimensity 1200 and 1300 inside the previous models. It offers big improvements in CPU and GPU performance, supports new RAM and storage, there is better ISP and expanded connectivity options. The camera has also been upgraded. There is a trio of cams on the back with a 50MP OIS primary, an 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro shooters. The selfie camera is quite promising, a 50MP eye with a wide-angle lens and autofocus support, an improvement over the V25 Pro, but somewhat of a downgrade when compared to the 50MP plus 8MP plus dual LED flash front setup on the V23 Pro. The Vivo V27 Pro is powered by a 4600 mAh battery and there is support for 66W fast wired charging. The new smartphone boots the latest Vivo software, which is Android 13 with FunTouch 13 right now. There are a few things we hoped to see, but didn't happen, some sort of officially rated splash protection and stereo speakers. We think it's time for the V series to finally get stereo speakers. The Vivo V27 Pro comes packed inside a long silver box. It contains the phone itself, an 8A rated USB A-to-C cable and an 80W flash charge power adapter. Note that the Vivo V27 Pro is limited to 66W charging, but it seems the maker doesn't mind shipping the phone with an overqualified adapter. That's not all, of course. The retail bundle also offers a soft transparent case and a thin protective film, which was already applied on the phone before it had left the factory. The Vivo V27 Pro is an excellent smartphone with an easily likable design, no matter if it's the color-changing, blue, back or not, black model. The phone employs a good and smooth OLED screen and impressed us with excellent performance and stability. The Vivo V27 Pro offers great battery life and is fast to charge, which is nice. But we will remember it for its outstanding photo and video quality from the main camera, with 2x lossless zoom, and the impressive selfies. Few mid-rangers offer such high-quality photos and the Vivo V27 Pro has the potential to become a fan-favorite camera phone on a budget. No smartphone is perfect and neither is the Vivo V27 Pro. The most obvious omissions are the stereo speakers and video stabilization for the 4K selfie videos, which is such a waste. We would have also appreciated some sort of ingress protection, too. Even with these omissions, we still think of the Vivo V27 Pro as one of the most capable mid-range smartphones out there, suitable both for gaming and photography. If the phone is available on your market, we strongly suggest considering it as your daily driver for being one of the best all-round offers in its price bracket.